Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the first website that comes up in the results, and the Adobe official website will open up. Make sure to log in using your account. After logging in, you will be on the homepage of the Adobe website. Now, in order to download Premiere Pro, scroll down a little bit and click on Start Free Trial under the Premiere Pro icon. Then simply click on the Continue button and follow on-screen instructions to download it completely. And that's how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.